My name is Abdul Aziz from Somali Student Association. We collaborated with Dale, the director of this program for our university. Myself and Kos and Katara from the Somali Student Association will help with interpreting, taking to classes, talking to students, and sort of having the Somali Student Association presence there to facilitate classrooms, discussions, making music, and just having a good time. Our main purpose is to have a voice for the Somali Student Association and have our presence in our community. We're a growing community, particularly the Somali people, and to have the Somali musician on board is a huge deal for us. You know, when you're an outsider, particularly an immigrant from Somalia, Muslim, and that's narrative out there that we're dangerous or we're intrusive and all that kind of stuff. That's the whole point that we have our organization, is to showcase our culture and our custom. And that sort of draws a whole different picture than the one that's out there.
My name is Kathara Muhammad. I am a sophomore at Minnesota State University, Mankato. I am an event coordinator along with Kos Adam with the Somali Student Association. I help the students learn how to play the danto. And then I was just a support system for Kos and Abdul because I can't speak Somali and they were just translating. We went around school, like elementary schools, and did a presentation on Somali culture and Somali food, and they were so engaged and so interested, and it was beautiful, and they asked so many different questions. It was awesome.
My name is Kos Adam. I'm an MSc student, and I'm part of SSA, and I'm their event coordinator. I learned a lot from Nimco, to be honest, about how the government was like before the Civil War, because I've only known like the destruction and what I learned in school, and I've only known the bad stuff, but I never knew like how well put together it was, and how the government actually had musicians that they hired and they valued the arts. It was also interesting to learn about the role they played, drawing attention to the corrupt government. So that was pretty cool and interesting. I learned a lot from that.
It was amazing to see her and like how she was like, she actually like lived through the Civil War and she saw everything change and she saw how like music evolved and how everything was different.
I never really listened to Somali music because I grew up here in America, so it was kind of cool to see like a live singer come and sing her songs.
I never used to listen to Somali music, so having her here just like opened my eyes to my own culture. Like I know a lot of non-Somali people were like enlightened, but personally I felt really enlightened, and I started Googling Rahma Rose, Farhia Friska, like all these amazing Somali singers that I've never like heard of.
This residency, what it did is sort of went beyond our scope of what we can do as a student organization to take it a few notches up.